know the benefits of the keto diet and how amazing it can be for weight loss, energy, mental focus, and just overall health. And sure, many people can get into ketosis with nutrition alone, but depending on your body, it may be very difficult to get in and stay in ketosis. So that's where supplements come in. They can make getting into ketosis so much easier and faster. They curb your sugar cravings without knocking you out of ketosis. And when it comes to Perfect Keto products, they make keto so much tastier. Mct Oil Powder is many keto dieters' first supplement of choice. MCTs are the only dietary fat that can be directly converted to ketones for quick, clean energy. There's a ton of great recipes you can add MCT oil powder to, like keto fat bombs or any keto baked good. You can mix MCT oil powder in coffee for a non-dairy creamer, or in smoothies, or even just in water. You can try 1 scoop in the morning to extend your fast, or just anytime you really want to feel more clean, good energy. Perfect Keto Base gets ketones into your bloodstream fast because it doesn't have to be converted at all. If you're looking for the quickest road to relief from keto flu symptoms, or you need a quick jolt of energy during your day, skip the caffeine and go for Base. As you start burning fat for fuel, you may lose a lot of water. So to avoid dehydration and keto flu symptoms, you need to keep your electrolytes high. So the ketones in Base are bound to electrolytes so that you can make sure you're getting enough. You may have heard that exogenous ketones don't taste very good, but Perfect Keto Base is definitely the best tasting ketones on the market. Try adding a half scoop to water or coffee, and then work your way up to a full scoop if you're looking for more energy. Keto collagen is a perfect part of a complete keto diet because many people struggle to get enough protein in on keto. Listen up, people. Protein is the building block of your body, and collagen specifically is one protein that many of us are not getting enough of. It's what your gut lining, your hair, nails, skin are largely made of. So if you're struggling with digestive issues, thin hair, aging skin, try collagen. It can help. Ketone testing strips are the easiest way to tell very quickly if you're in ketosis. We all respond to carbohydrates differently, so these are a lifesaver when it comes to understanding what kicks you out of ketosis. Say you eat something questionable at a restaurant and you feel kind of tired and sluggish in the morning, use a test strip, wait 40 seconds, and you'll know if you're burning ketones. If not, use Base or MCT oil powder to start burning ketones again. Let's make keto easy. Scroll down for more information on how to get the most out of your first few weeks on the keto diet.